Good morning, everybody. It is February 15th, Sunday, February 15th, 2026. It's the day after Valentine's Day. And hey, happy Valentine's Day. Happy belated Valentine's Day to everybody watching this, which is only about 5 people. But that's okay. I hope you had a good day yesterday. We had a good day. My wife, Leah, was actually feeling a little under the weather, so we really didn't do a whole lot. We went out, we got some breakfast. We went to a local place, Cane's Donuts, which I've got to show you that place someday because the donuts there are just fantastic. So big, they put Dunkin' Donuts to shame. Best donuts, are, at least where I live. So we went and did that, had some breakfast, came home, opened our Valentine's Day gifts, which if I could figure out how to put some B-roll into this, I'll insert the clips here while I'm talking. But yeah, basically we opened those up. I got Leah gave me some knockoff Legos. One's kind of like it's like an old 90s boombox with a mixtape that goes in and everything. Again, hopefully you're seeing that now. Another one that was just the mixtape alone, and then I got her, of course, the stuffed pig that you saw earlier, which I'll show you there now too. Hopefully. If not, I don't know, maybe I can put pictures in? I don't know. We'll see. It'll be fun to figure it out. So anyway, I'm over here at B.J.s because I need to pick up some more prunes, which is probably weird for a 40-something-year-old, 44-year-old to be saying. But I do eat prunes every morning. They're good for you. They taste good. They keep you regular. What more can you ask for? And B.J.s sells a really big bag of them, about 30 servings or 30-something servings in it, so it's a pretty good deal. Gonna go inside, pick up those prunes, maybe take a look around. Yeah, why don't you come on in with me and see what we can get at B.J.s. They got some pretty sweet TVs for sale. Wow, 220 bucks? Is that right? Wow, that's a really good deal for a TV, I guess. Westinghouse, never heard of it. Got computer monitors. And B.J.s has everything, right? Graphics cards. Or, yeah. I think the prunes are usually somewhere in these middle aisles. I think maybe down here. There we go. They should be here somewhere. Here they are. Nice. $8.99. Pretty good price. 44 ounces, dude. Look at that. 4 to 5 plums a serving. 100 calories. Oh, look at that fiber. 3 grams of fiber. That's pretty good. Not bad. They keep you real regular. Maybe while I'm here, pick some flowers up for my wife. Because I actually didn't get her any flowers this year for Valentine's Day, and I might regret that. Hey, I'm not sure what it is, but something over here smells really good. I don't know if it's the barbecue equipment, maybe the charcoal I'm smelling, but something smells delicious. Although I'm a weird guy, because I also like the smell of gasoline. So, and skunks. $9.99 for these sweet peas. Nah, I'm sweet enough. One thing I hate at B.J.s is now they have people here that want to sell you services like cell phones and solar panels and things. I've already got solar. I've already got a cell phone. I don't want that from B.J.s. And for some reason, they insist on being here. So I'm trying to avoid them right now. Wish me luck. Okay, successfully dodged that encounter. Successfully dodged the man selling me T-Mobile services at B.J.s. Fantastic. Alright. Where was I? Alright, I think I need a new laptop bag. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get myself this for $39.99. Not bad. Swiss gear. Got a bunch of pockets. Place for my laptop. Nice. Sold. Usually they have Legos somewhere. Might try and find something for my wife here in Lego form. Well, this is where they usually are, and they're not here now, so dang. Guessing they don't have any. Although she does love books, so maybe I'll buy her a book. I don't think she has this, and I know she was talking about wanting to see the movie and possibly read it, so there we go. Got something for her too. Alright, I think I'm going to head to the checkout now. All done shopping for now. Head to the checkout and pay for my stuff. Okay, I put the other flowers back, and I'm going to pick up this instead. Simply because it comes with a vase. And I think that's better. Alright, now let's go pay. Alright, all checked out. Now I gotta get my receipt looked at by this man up here. Okay, and since I'm at B.J.s and they have gas here, might as well get myself some gas because I'm running a little bit low. So might as well do it while I'm here. $2.59 a gallon. Not bad. All right, $22 later, I am all filled up. All right, before I go home, I thought I'd come over here, do a little update on the Aldis construction. I passed by here on my way to work a couple days ago, and I saw some lights, some construction lights inside. So I am assuming that they have started work, but it looks like not a whole lot has happened. So there's the update. All right, I'm back home now. I think that's going to do it for the day, for this video. Sorry, it's a little bit short, but I think we're going almost on about 9 minutes or so now. So we're going to call it here. I hope to do some more exciting videos soon, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. If you haven't already, you know, maybe please subscribe. Show me that you want to actually see some of these videos. Maybe like, comment, that kind of stuff. I don't usually say those kinds of things in my videos. I think this might be one of the first times I've even said anything like that, but it would help. So yeah, anyway, that's it for today. I'll see you next time.